Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to fix Truecaller logging problem. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you go to your phone setting. Tap on this. Scroll down little bit. Find here about phone. Tap on about phone. After that, tap on software information. You can see here your software information. Now go back to your home screen. Check your internet connection. Tap on airplane mode. After that, tap on off airplane mode. Now connection your Wi-Fi. Okay, now go to your Play Store apps. Tap on Play Store application and search here Truecaller. Your apps is already updated and latest version. Tap on open icon. Now tap on get start. Tap on Truecaller. Tap on continue. Select your country and enter your phone number. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. If we found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.